Okay, this video is for the second slide of slope of rate of change practice. Okay, this slide is showing you the amount of water in a pool as it drains. Okay, so like after 2 hours, there's 51.2 gallons of water in the pool. Okay, after 4 hours goes by, there's 46.4 gallons of water in the pool. Okay, and on down the line, every 2 hours, it is showing you how much water is in the pool. Okay, we want to calculate the slope and explain what it means. Okay, now when you have a data table, okay, instead of using rise over run, you want to use y change over x change. Okay, y change over x change instead of rise over run. The y values are typically the numbers on the right side of your data table. Okay, the x values are on the left side of your data table. Sometimes you don't see an x and a y sitting there, but that's what it means. Okay, and when you find the slope of a data table, it doesn't matter which 2 points you look at. Okay, I could look at these 2 points, those 2 sets of numbers. I could look at those 2 sets. Okay, I could look at those. Okay, I can look at any 2 rows that I want, and they don't even have to be next to each other, like one on top of the other. Okay, just so you're looking at 2 sets of numbers to do y change over x change, you'll get the same answer. Okay, these are linear. You're going to always get the same answer. It's kind of like when you find the slope of a line, it doesn't matter which 2 points you use. Okay, same idea. I'm just going to look at these. Okay, so if I want to find the slope, okay, if I want to find change, I want to know y change over x change. Okay, I need to know what does this do on the y side to get from 51.2 to 46.4. Okay, I just want to know how much does this increase or decrease. Okay, there's a calculator link if you need to use the calculator. But it's going to be going down. You just subtract these 2 values. It's going to be going down because 51.2 going to 46.4, it's decreasing. Okay, it's going to be going down 4.8. Okay, it's going to be decreasing 4.8 gallons. Okay, the hours from here to here, okay, it's going to be going up from 2 hours to 4 hours. It's going to be going up. It's increasing 2 hours. I'm just not going to put a space there. So it's going up 2 hours. So the decrease of 4.8 gallons is the change in y. The increase of 2 hours is the change in x. So I'm just going to put these into the formula. Slope equals y change over x change. Okay, so my y change is negative 4.8 gallons. My x change is 2 hours. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and simplify. Negative 4.8 divided by 2 is negative 2.4. And I'm going to keep my labels again, just like I did with the slope of the graph. Top label, gallons. The word per, or you could use a slash, and then the label hour. Okay, so my slope with labels is negative 2.4 gallons per hour. Okay, the negative just tells me it's a decrease. It's a decrease of 2.4 gallons per hour instead of an increase. Okay, so in this problem, you just want to write down a brief description. What does that mean? What does that slope mean in this problem? Okay, they're talking about the amount of water in a pool as it drains. Okay, so that just means the pool, whoops, the pool is losing 2.4 gallons of water every hour. Okay, it doesn't have to be in any certain wording. I just want you to get the idea that when you find slope, you're finding how fast your stuff is changing. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions with any of the other slides. Remember, there is a solution link. And maybe that will help you too to make sure you're doing everything right. Okay, let me know if you have questions.